Hi guys, Destiny Dungeon here, and in today's video, well, the first video for quite some time, what I wanted to do for a while was I wanted to open up some Pokemon packs. Now, well, most of my friends know that I enjoy Pokemon, I enjoy playing it, but don't hate. Alright, so I wanted to get into this. I'm just gonna show you the pack. There you go. I'm gonna open it for you, because I'm a sado. I enjoy Pokemon. Alright, so for all you viewers, there is a code, because I don't use codes ever. So what we're going to do is, 4 and 2. That is a card trick for this set. Alright, so what we're going to do is Sparrow, Fermantis, Molo, Scarberry, Poliwag, the Cheeky Fire, this guy, got a Steamy, got a Poliwhirl, Bruxish, Reverse Holo, and a rare Cribblenable. Well, not too bad, but yeah, average pack, in my opinion. So, let's put that just put them there. Right, now on to Solgaleo, the awesome pack in my opinion. Right. Oh, not my camera. Right, for you online players, there is a code. Alright, so what I want to do is, I'll just do it under here. Don't have much room to do my planes. Alright, so we got an Alolan Grimer, Togedemaru, Stuffle, look how cute that looks, Marini, one of my favourites, Dewpider, Fighting, Rare Candy, Vaquidid, no one, Vaquidid, Spinda, Makuhita, and Masquerain. Pretty average pack if you ask me. Not too bad though. I got me a Rare Candy. That's all I want. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.